Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. This is the place where we help you improve your English and your life step by step. My name is Hani, and I'm your host today. I'm so happy you are here. Today, we are talking about something very important: time. More exactly, we will talk about why we should not waste our time. This is not just an English lesson. It is also a life lesson. Time is very special. You can lose money and earn it again. But if you lose time, you cannot get it back. Every day, we all have 24 hours. Not more, not less. When a day ends, it is gone forever. We cannot buy more time or go back in time. That's why people say time is life. If you waste time, you waste your life. I have also wasted time in the past. I used to watch funny videos online for many hours. It felt fun at first, but later I felt empty. I did not learn anything. I think many of you feel the same. For example, if you waste just 30 minutes every day, that becomes 15 hours in 1 month. With that time, you could read a book, learn 100 new English words, or practice speaking English. So we must remember, time is a gift and we should use it well. Now, let's talk about how people waste time. Don't feel bad if you do these things. Everyone does. But when you know the problem, you can change it. The first way we waste time is by spending too much time on the phone. Many people scroll through TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube and lose 1 hour without noticing. You may think, just 5 minutes, but then it becomes 1 hour. Phones are not bad, but how we use them is important. Try to use your phone to learn. Watch English videos or listen to English podcasts, just like this one. Another way we waste time is by watching random videos or TV shows in our own language. If you want to learn English, watch shows in English, even if it's just for 15 minutes a day. One big problem is procrastination. That means you delay things and say, "I'll do it later." Then, later becomes tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes never. Another time waster is overthinking. You think too much and worry. What if I make a mistake when I speak English? Then you do nothing. But mistakes are okay. We learn by doing, not by waiting. Let's quickly list some common time-wasting habits. Scrolling social media too much, watching random videos, procrastinating, overthinking, and doing things that don't help your goals. The good news is we can change these habits. First, we must notice them. Then, we can fix them. Now, how do you know if you are wasting your time? Here are some signs. You feel like your day passed too fast. You were busy but did nothing important. You feel tired, lazy, or guilty. You spend hours on your phone or watching TV. And in the end, you don't feel proud of how you used your time. If these signs sound familiar, don't worry. It's not too late to change. Let me share some tips to use your time better. Tip 1. Set clear goals. Know what you want. For example, you can plan to learn 10 new English words today. Tip 2. Make a small plan for your day. Write down 2 or 3 important things to do. Maybe listen to a podcast, speak in English for 5 minutes, or read a short story. Tip 3. Do your most important task first. Don't wait until the end of the day when you are tired. Tip 4. Limit distractions. Turn off your notifications and put your phone away while you study. You can use a timer, study for 25 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes. This is called the Pomodoro method. It helps you stay focused. Tip 5. Use small moments during the day. When you are cooking, walking, or waiting, listen to English. Just 5 minutes here and there can add up to hours in a week. Here are some small daily habits to save time. Wake up a little earlier. Even 15 minutes can help you study or plan your day. Make a to-do list in the morning. Write 3 to 5 important things. Prepare things at night, like your clothes or your bag. That saves time in the morning. And don't multitask. Focus on one thing at a time. You will finish faster and do better work. Let me tell you 3 short stories from real people. First, Ali is 20 years old and wanted to speak English, but he wasted time on video games and social media. One day, he saw a video that said, "Your time is your life." He decided to change. He started with just 10 minutes of English every day. After 1 year, he speaks with confidence. Second, Maria is a young mother. She said, "I'm too busy." But she started listening to English podcasts while cooking and cleaning. She didn't find more time. She used her time better, and in 6 months, her listening got much better. Third, Daniel used to scroll on his phone for hours. He said, "I have no time to learn." Then he made a small change. He started reading English stories for 30 minutes a day. Now it's his habit, and he feels proud. These stories show us something important. Anyone can change. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Take one small step. Before we end, I want to leave you with a strong message. Take control of your time. When you control your time, you control your life. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Every minute you use well is a step toward better English and a better life. It doesn't matter if you are busy. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. What matters is that you try and you keep going. You have the power. You have the time. Use it wisely. Before I wrap up, I want to share 5 short quotes about time. These are very simple, but very powerful. Let's listen. Time waits for no one. Time keeps moving. We can't stop it, so don't waste it. Lost time is never found again. Benjamin Franklin. If we lose time, we cannot get it back. The clock is ticking. Stop thinking and start living. Overthinking takes our time. Let's take action. You can't rewind time, but you can change what you do now. We cannot go back. But we can start fresh today. Every minute you spend thinking too much is a minute you never get back. Thinking too much steals our time. Use your time wisely. Say to yourself, "Today, I will not waste time. Today, I will grow." Because your future is built with the time you use today. So choose to make it count. Thank you for listening to the English Learning Podcast. I hope this episode helped you think about your time and how to use it better. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps us reach more English learners like you. And leave a comment. Tell me one thing you will stop wasting time on. Starting today, see you next time. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't waste your time.